Welcome to this technical guide on the Mousier Cousine. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Mousier Cousine won't start, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a faulty power supply or a damaged circuit board. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, making the repair more expensive and time-consuming. To tackle this problem, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and some replacement components like a new power supply or circuit board. First, ensure your Mousier Cousine is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the back panel away, taking care not to damage any of the clips holding it in place. Next, locate the power supply. It is usually situated near the main circuit board. Use the multimeter to test the power supply for faults. If you find it is indeed the culprit, disconnect the cables attached to it, noting their positions for reinstallation. Remove any screws securing the power supply in place before gently pulling it out. When installing the new power supply, ensure you connect it exactly as the old one was, to avoid any confusion. Be cautious not to apply too much force when securing screws, as this could strip the threads or damage the board. Once the new power supply is in place, reconnect all the cables carefully. Before reassembling, double-check that no wires are pinched and that everything is secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the back panel of your Mousier Cousine and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug the device back in and test to see if it starts up correctly. If it powers on, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Mousier Cousine. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure you regularly check the power supply and avoid overloading the device. Keeping it clean and well ventilated can also help extend its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.